foodies. So I just wanted to show you all how I make my Jamaican Bammy and fried fish. So first you want to take your cassava plant and shred it. This is a root vegetable, very good. Tastes sort of like a potato. I had to switch shredders. This little hand shredder was much easier to shred, and I tell you, this is not an easy job, but this is what it looks like once it's done, guys. Next, you want to take a cheesecloth or any type of clean cloth, throw it in there so that you can strain all of the juices out. You don't really want to be taking that in. That's a lot of starch and then some other like chemicals or whatever that's in it, so you don't really want that. So it looks really dry like this, and yeah, that's your end result. You want to season with a little bit of sugar to about a teaspoon and a half a teaspoon of salt. Mix it all in. Yep, and then you want to make these little bitty balls like this, and these are going to be fritters. So you want to take about a half cup of vegetable oil, let that warm up, and then drop your Bammy fritters right on in. I only cook 4 because, of course, it's just me for this meal. Actually, I shared it with a friend, but hey, you don't need that much. And you want to smash these down while they're cooking. And look, you got little Bammy fritters. Those cooked about 4 minutes on each side. I like them to be golden brown. And next, you want to pour your coconut milk in a bowl and put your Bammy fritters right on in. Let them soak for 20 minutes. While they're soaking, you can go ahead and start making your fried fish. So what I did is pour a little bit more. You want to cover it all up. You want to cut your peppers next. You got a red bell pepper, green bell pepper, orange, yellow, carrot. I julienne the carrot and shredded some ginger. Hey, that took 20 minutes. Let's get to frying. So this is our second fry on the Bammy. Just want to fry it now for a couple minutes each side and let those rest. Next, you want to slice your fish. This is red snapper fish. You could use any type of white fish for this dish. And you want to get your lemon juice in there. Yep. Next, you want to salt it and put whatever seasonings you want. I just put salt, pepper, and some Slap Your Mama seasoning. Get it on in there. Slap Your Mama. This is my new favorite seasoning outside of Tony's Cajun seasoning. Rub it on in there. And then you want to throw it in that hot grease, that same grease you cooked your Bammy in. And what I did also was I threw a thyme leaf in there. I'm just showing you all that I cut up the onions for the our vegetable fry that goes on the ceviche fish. Here we go. It's all done. This cooked about 10 minutes, 5 on each side. It's not super crispy, but it does have a little crisp on it. Next, throw all of your vegetables in there that you just cut up. There we go. A tablespoon of garlic minced and a half teaspoon of ginger, fresh ginger. Stir that on in. Throw you a couple sprigs of thyme, a bay leaf. And I also added a half a teaspoon of malt vinegar. I would say use regular vinegar for this dish. Of course, you got to do the taste test. It tastes pretty darn good. Next, you just plate it. This is a super simple, easy, quick meal, guys. I just want to show it to you. Throw all of your vegetables or your ceviche on that fried fish and your Bammy fritters, and there you go. This is a super simple meal. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys make it. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I will talk to you all soon. Thanks. Bye.